video, we'll see the list of employees who are getting more salary than their manager's salary. So this is one of the very important interview question you will face during the interviews. And I'm sure that after watching this video, you'll be able to answer any such type of questions coming in this particular area. You'll be able to answer it. So before we focus on writing the SQL, right, it is very important to understand the data. Guys, my request is if you are first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification. Right? Let us look at the data part. So I have employee table here. In the employee table, I have 5 records. Employee name Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve. So notice the Alice. He has no manager associated to it, and there is no point of retrieving his data, right? There is no manager associated to a particular employee, and there is no point of comparing his salary with his manager's salary. So we are not going to retrieve this record. And look at the second record, Bob. Who is his manager? One, Alice, right? So as an employee, how much salary Bob is getting? 80,000. And his manager, Alice, how much salary is getting? 90,000. So employee salary is less than his manager's salary, then we are not going to retrieve this Bob record. So look at the Charlie. As an employee, Charlie, how much salary is getting? 94,000. Who is Charlie? Manager. Again Alice. And Charlie, as an employee, how much salary is getting? 95,000. And Alice, 90,000. So employee salary is more than his manager's salary. Charlie should come in the result set, right? Look at the output here. Charlie is coming, right? And look at the another record, David. And David, as an employee, how much salary is getting? 60,000. Who is David manager? David manager is Bob. How much salary Bob is getting? 80,000. So 80,000 is more than the 60,000, and his manager is getting more salary than his employee. So we are not going to retrieve this record. And look at the last record, Eve. As an employee, how much salary Eve is getting? 84,000. And who is his manager? Second, Bob. Again, 80,000. Bob is getting 80,000. And his employee, Eve is getting 80,000, 85,000. So employee is getting more salary than his manager. So then Eve record should come in the results. That is why you are getting Eve record here, right? Yeah. So now let us focus on writing the query. So what exactly we are doing, guys, here? We are taking an employee table and we don't have any other table. We are just taking copy of that particular employee table for manager information. We are taking all the required attributes from the employee table, and from the manager table I'm taking all the manager related records, and we are calling employee table as E alias and the manager table as M. And remember, guys, this we have only one table here. It is just an alias of employee table, right? And what exactly we are doing in the join criteria? E dot manager ID equal to M dot employee ID. So this particular condition we are writing to exclude this type of records, like in the LS scenario, it has no manager associated, right? If you are not writing that condition, this record will also come in the result set, right? So that is the reason we are writing this where condition. And the second condition is like E dot salary is greater than M dot salary. Employee's salary must be greater than the manager's salary. So for that reason, we are writing this condition. So now with that we have ready with our query, and once we execute this query, we'll get the output like this. Guys, I think you are very clear on this area, and hope that whenever you get such type of queries, you'll be able to answer in any interview, right? So I would suggest you to subscribe to my channel, and whenever I'll publish a video, so you will also get the timely notification. For that, you click on the bell icon. And going forward, I'm going to talk about many more very important SQL queries. Thank you, guys.